Hi YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shabab. This tutorial is going to be how to transfer your data from your old cell phone to your new cell phone. In this case, we're going to be using two brands of cell phone. We're going to be transferring information from the Xiaomi Note 8 to the Galaxy A33. Some of you might have a question, is it possible? Is it not possible? I mean, they're not the same brand, so there might be applications that are not compatible with the two. Samsung has always had this advantage that if you have an old Samsung and then you have a new Samsung, you can just use the application, get your old information to your new Samsung without any problems whatsoever. This time around, we're going to try this. The first thing that we're going to need to do is make sure that we have the Smart Switch application in both cell phones. In your Galaxy cell phone, maybe this is a new cell phone, so maybe you might not see it the first time around. To get it into your cell phone, you have two options. Either you just come directly to Play Store and just type Smart Switch, or you can just go directly to settings and search for accounts and backup, and then from here you can bring data from old device. If you try this, what it's going to do is going to give you these options. Either you send data or you receive data. Now make sure that in the old cell phone you have the application already installed. So since we have it installed in the Xiaomi Note 8, what we're going to do is just click on this to transfer data. So how do you want to get connected? You have two options. You either choose cable or wireless. I'm going to go for wireless. So get connected, open Smart Switch on your new Galaxy to connect. It's already open. Searching for new devices using high frequency radio. So it's searching. I'm going to come here, receive data. I have three options. Either I get my data from a Galaxy or an Android, an iPhone or an iPad, or a Windows phone. You have those three sources, the system with which your old telephone works. So I'm going to choose this, and I have the same thing, either a cable or wireless, and I'm going to choose wireless. Open Smart Switch on your old device to connect. It's already connected. So what it's doing is connect over Wi-Fi. Both devices need to connect it to the same Wi-Fi. So what it's just going to do is going to search. And as soon as it has it, so it found it, allow connection. This is my new device, Galaxy A33. Galaxy A33 wants to connect to your phone. Allow. Continue data transfer. You can continue from where you left off or cancel to start over. I'm going to start over. Keep the two devices close for smooth data transfer. Select which data to transfer. You have three options. Either you select everything, it's going to transfer everything from your old device to the new device, or just accounts, calls, contacts, messages, you're a bit specific, or you just custom what you want to transfer. So I want everything from my old device to this new one, and I'm just going to select next. So copy to your new device, copy your Google account, other accounts, and restore your Google backup if possible. Copy. Unlock to continue setting up your device, and copying your accounts. Back up your messaging app data. They are not going to get everything from here to here, but instead you have to go to WhatsApp, get everything in your Google account, WhatsApp, and then from there they are going to retrieve the information, or the new cell phone is going to retrieve the information from there. Next. Transferring data from your old phone, backing up contacts right now. It's going to take like 26 minutes. Backing up call logs, messages. And ready. New cell phone, go to home screen. Old cell phone, done. So if you come here to the drop down, you can see here the Smart Switch app. It says organizing your transfer data. So that's going to take a while, organizing your transfer data. 3 minutes left to do that. It's going to update contacts data in this cell phone. It's going to do everything. So let's just wait a few minutes and we should be ready. Data transfer results: 64 apps, 36 videos, images, documents, and files. And well, just let's go next. And it's all set. Installing apps. And you see these apps were not here before. Now we are seeing that they are being installed now. Installing apps. If you look at it, if you look at this one here, all of this are the apps that are going to be installed in this new cell phone. So I hope you found this video helpful and has given you enough information on how to get your information from your old cell phone and transfer them to the new cell phone. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.